Hi guys, it's Amy Lynn, and today I'm going to show you how to make copycat Starbucks egg bites. First, preheat your oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, fill a baking dish with about an inch of water and place it on the bottom rack of your oven. Starbucks makes their egg bites using the sous vide cooking technique. This is the process of vacuum sealing food in a bag and cooking it to a very precise temperature in a water bath. Since I don't have the proper equipment for that, this alternative replicates that humid environment and will help cook your egg bites evenly. Now back to the recipe. Mix together the eggs, shredded cheese, cottage cheese, scallions, salt, and a pinch of freshly cracked black pepper. Then whir it in a blender to make the mixture extra light and frothy. Next, spray your muffin tins with non-stick cooking oil and fill the tins with the egg mixture. And don't forget your bacon. I chopped mine up and added them to each egg bite. I also decided to go with turkey bacon. Now bake it in the oven for about 30 minutes until the egg bites are set. Then take it out, let it cool, and remove them from the muffin tin. Don't forget to give it a taste.